St. Joseph's College Autonomous Tiruchirappalli has its own uniqueness in the history of higher education in India with 175 years of dedicated service. It is a desirable place for the students' development and for promoting a balanced society through the extension activities of the Outreach Department, Shepherd. Science and Humanities for People's Development, Shepherd, was established in the academic year 1985 to 1986. It is the first of its kind in the history of higher education in India. Our outreach programs include 100 villages of 7 unions of 3 districts as Trichy, Karur and Pudukkottai, which are our service fields, including 16 slums, which are our special service fields in the corporation limits of Trichy district. Social development works done in the above mentioned adopted areas by our students are noteworthy. Our students determine the actual living conditions of rural poor and slums. The students dedicate their valuable service to the downtrodden within their confined academic schedule. Result-based work for the problem in the service area has been initiated by our students. The entire outreach activities assist the students who involve in the programs to exhibit their skills such as group planning with companions, discussing the problems, implementing plan of action and establishing the justice for all. The students, through such activities, are equipped with leadership qualities whereby they can become responsible leaders and take up distinguished positions in the government sectors in future. Our college students render excellent service to the selected school children in the villages by providing special educational trainings, educational aids and educational tours in every academic year continuously. There are 25 Anganwadi in the villages which are constructed and handed over to the people. This is one of our unique achievements of our outreach programs jointly attained by college management, volunteers and villagers. Our department has initiated educating the villagers for reading and writing in 1990s. District Collector has witnessed and credited our department with announcement of Malachipuram as 100% literate village. Massive science exhibitions have been conducted in several 8 places in and around the district in order to promote the motto of Lab to Land and Land to Lab, encouraging the young rural students to understand, utilize, think, visualize and anticipate the science technologies in day-to-day life. Furthermore, 650 school children participated and benefited through the Young Student Scientist program in every summer vacation. Project activity. A class of students is allotted to a village and the students are introduced in the village at one-day initiation visit. The undergraduate students stay in the village for 3 days and the postgraduate students stay for 2 days in the slum area for identifying the problem and the required developmental tasks by socializing with the community. Thereafter, the students discuss with the director, coordinators and professors in order to find out an immediate solution to the identified problems of the community. Lastly, a group of students are split according to their interest and like-mindedness to exhibit their talents and skills to the best. Both general and veterinary medical camps are well organized in rural places by our department in association with government and private hospitals for the benefit of rural people and the cattle of villages. The students are encouraged to undergo a special environmental training for 3 days at Angale Institute of Natural History in Kodaikanal. After the training, the students are advised to promote the green environment by jointly organizing awareness campaign, field publicity and planting saplings with public sector. Awards. 35,000 saplings were planted in hundreds of villages through Green Kalam movement founded by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India. Our department has been awarded Green Kalam Award at the award ceremony in Pondicherry. Herbal Farm. Our department has planted, protected and grown more than 250 valuable herbal plants since the academic year 1994 to 1995 at Nagamangalam Herbal Farm. Free herbal medicine training has been provided to over 3,000 herbal volunteers in the campus. Above all, it has become the place of field study for the benefit of the school and college students. Achievements. Our department has been providing Young Student Scientist Program, Self-Employment Training, Women Entrepreneurial Training, Awareness Campaign on Environment, Training for Rural Panchayat Administrators, and Skill Development Training for Teachers with funding source from central and state governments. Specially, Milk Cooperative Producers Society has been established and functioned in the selected villages after the training being given to the women self-help group members. Our students have been conducting sports, cultural events and prize distribution for indicating the importance of public celebrations in the villages where public festivals are not usually celebrated. Basic needs of the villagers are provided by public sector. Our students sensitize the people to receive the welfare schemes and they take liaison role between rural community and public sector. International collaboration. Contribution of community halls and Anganwadi in 7 villages was funded by Singapore International Foundation through Youth Expedition Project since 2003. And moreover, 60 volunteer students have stayed and constructed it manually by their own effort. It has become a right opportunity for them to understand and study our culture and folkways. It is worthy to note that the professors and students from Loyola Marymount University, Los Angeles, USA has taken part in the Tamil festival celebrations called Pongal and learnt our culture and folkways. They have involved in the common celebration and enriched the auspicious event as special one by their presence. The continued service of Shepherd Department with involvement of college students is one of the prioritized elements of college activities.